Last time I was on rollerblades, I was, I think, approximately 14 or 15. Last time I was on roller skates, I was approximately 8. Maggie, when's the last time you were on roller skates?
Probably when I was about 5 or 6.
First time on roller skate for the little guy. Join us. We got roller skates for Christmas.
Provided by
Yours truly.
Well, you watched us another video because you watch us wrapped roller skates, right? Yeah.
Oddly enough, LA has been rainy and cold. Like totally unrealistic for the holidays. It's usually 80 degrees.
And today we are getting roller skates and chances.
I wanted to go to a roller rink. Roller rinks are
typically open
at night, and they're not a dime a dozen. There's only like a couple.
Yeah.
Actually, I feel like there's only one that's accessible to us.
Yeah,
that's near us. It's in Glendale. We got some good advice from someone. They said, do not go to a roller rink. You will be intimidated by such. We decided that better off, we would go to an empty parking lot, which was a recommendation by someone who was pretty savvy. That's her alumni. Are you alumni or not alumni? Yeah, you kind of are.
I'm kind of
Alumnus. Alumni.
Current student.
She's current at her current school, Cal State. We're going to go in an empty parking lot and do some roller skating, and you can watch us succeed.
Skate.
Arthur.
Good? Don't.
This is really
Be out. Like, look, watch. Watch what Dad does. You feeling better now? You're good, dude. You gotta get a feel for him. Flex knees. Dad, you watch. Watch Daddy. Get a good feel for him, okay?
Well, I'm not good over there.
Ooh, look at Mom. Ready, folks? Watch this world-renowned roller skater making it happen. That was ridiculously fun. Ridiculously fun. I didn't think I was going to be that good. I'm pretty comfortable on them, actually. And Arthur got more and more comfortable very quickly, and so did my lovely, lovely lady. Come here. Come here. Did you have fun?
I did. I just wished I was more confident in stopping and slowing down.
Yeah, stopping's a little rough.
So I was using every uphill slope to kind of just slow down for me. But I think if I get the hang of that, I'll be a little bit more confident.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
What's up, cutie? So we're at it again, round 2. First round was fun. However,
No. This is third round.
that's right, he is correct. It's a round 3 for him because he was riding his in the garage below and enjoying himself for the most part. I created a blister on my ankle, so I had to wrap that. That's about it. And you're having a good time, yeah?
Yeah, I'm finding it fun and freeing. I don't like not knowing how to stop, brake easily. So I'm using hills in order to slow down and stop. So as long as I learn how to do that safely, I'll be a lot more confident.
Agreed. Yeah, stopping's a little different. I'm kind of more accustomed to stopping on rollerblades. So.
But you're like me.
You like me? What does that mean?
Super awesome at it.
It's a part of life.
Oh, jeez, a weed. God. All right, we're done. Yeah, it was fun. A little more vintage vibes this week, right? And yeah, we got tired way quicker, so we're going home. We had a great time. I think the only rub is
The rub.
there's a rub on my ankle.
Oh my God, it's got a terrible blister and he's bleeding. We gotta figure that out.
I'm
Yeah, we have
so
to figure that out.
sorry.
Arthur, it's not your fault.
It is.
No, it's not.
Like, sit back.
I hate you.
Roller skating, baby.